We're going to take this stock style D100 transmission mount, available for as little as $10 to $20, and we're going to upgrade it with this 3M fast curing urethane. And here is the 3M 8609 urethane. This may be available at your local hardware store, but I will leave a link in the description to where I purchased mine. Here is the new transmission mount. I've already taped up the back side to keep the urethane from going all the way through. Trim the nozzle to the appropriate size. Screw it back onto the canister. And then load it into our caulk gun. Now fill all the voids in the stock mount with the 3M urethane. Now this made a noticeable improvement in the shift quality of my truck. As you'll see later, my transmission mount was in pretty bad shape, and it allowed for quite a bit of shudder in the drivetrain during full throttle gear changes. You can spend as much time as you want smoothing it out and making it look pretty. I just wanted to make sure I had good full coverage here. And now we're going to remove the tape from the back side. Add a little more urethane and smooth it out as well. Then we'll clean off the excess and set it aside to dry. 3M says it needs about 12 hours to fully cure, but you can work with this within about 15 minutes. To remove the mount, I started with these two nuts at the front of the cross member, these two nuts at the rear of the cross member, and then finally there are two bolts here at the rear of the transmission. Now here's my stock mount. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. And here is the new mount with the 3M urethane applied. Here is the full transmission mount assembly, ready to go back into the truck. Now you of course will need to support your engine and transmission. I've done that with a few blocks of wood on my hydraulic jack underneath the oil pan. Now you just want to snug these 4 bolts up for the time being, as you may need to move it to help align the bolts in the transmission, as well as persuade the transmission a little. Once you get those aligned, you can torque them down and then torque the remaining bolts and enjoy your new firm shifts. If you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.